Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're doing a product review on the all-new Icon Overlord SB2 Prime textile jacket. Okay, this retails for $240 as of the time we're filming this video. Please understand that prices may change. We don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been fully redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 197 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size large in the Overlord SB2 Prime textile jacket right now. This is their attack fit, so it's supposed to be a bit more aggressive. You can see that certainly is the case, right? It's nice and form-fitting, especially in the arms and the shoulders. It does offer still a little additional room here in the midsection. This jacket comes with a full CE certified kit of armor from D3O. That's premium stuff. Elbows forms. These pockets are adjustable. 3 levels of adjustment in there. If you try this coat on and you're like, man, that elbow armor feels like it's high, or that elbow armor feels like it's in a lower position for me, open the jacket up. You're going to see the armor pocket, 3 levels. We're going to show you this real close in the second part of the video, right? And just move it to the appropriate pocket to tailor the fit for yourself. D3O in the shoulder, we've got an external shoulder slider. That's going to give you aesthetics as well as more protection, work in conjunction with the armor behind it. And then, of course, the D3O CE certified back protector. That stuff is all so low profile, comfortable, moldable, flexible, all that stuff that it almost, when you have the coat on, doesn't even look like there's armor in it. Clearly, this jacket has a tremendous amount of style built into it. That is really the heart and soul behind Icon, isn't it? It's also a quality jacket. All the perforation you see here, that is laser perfed, right? Heavy denier, textile panels, real abrasion resistant, real tear resistant, good stuff. So you got a lot of airflow up front here. Stretch fabric that you see here increases the comfort and mobility of the jacket. It also enhances airflow as it will allow for exchange of air. Here in the sleeves, they have a dual stage zipper that doubles as a vent. When you have the lower one zipped all the way down, you zip down the upper, and now you have an active vent that's going to be right out there in the wind. When your hands are on the bars, on most motorcycles, they're going to be exposed to the wind that's driving in. This is a great way to bring air into a motorcycle jacket. It's fully tunable. To help regulate temperature and give you a little more seasonality with this coat, it does also include a removable quilted vest liner. Storage for this coat is going to come in the form of hand warmer style storage pockets with zips both sides, as well as an internal left breast zippered storage pocket and a couple of slip pockets built into the liner of the coat. We will show you all that in much more detail in the second portion. If you dig the style, this is a good coat, man. It looks good. It really feels good when you wear it. I think this one's a home run. If you dig the style, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to give you a really close look from the inside out. Icon Overlord SB2 Prime jacket inside out. This jacket comes complete with a full complement of D3O CE certified armor. Here's your back protector. Look at how moldable, flexible, low profile that is, still highly protective. Shoulder insert, elbow and forearm piece. For temperature regulation, this has a fully removable quilted vest liner. Nice quality there, easy in, easy out. You'll also see they have pass-throughs, so you can still get to the storage pockets inside the coat when you have the liner in there. The shell of the jacket itself, and there's a lot of details with this. We'll do the best we can to show you everything. Laser perforated heavy denier textile fabric. This large back panel here. We've got a nice stretch fabric here. That gives you a lot of comfort and mobility. Printed Icon logo here. That looks to be reflective. It spans across the base of the coat. This will flow air freely. Volume adjustment here at the waist. Metal snap, 3 levels to choose from. And where it really starts to get interesting is we get around to the sleeves and the front of this coat. We've got a kick-ass looking shoulder protector here. Icon logo. that works in conjunction with the armor inside to really bolster the protection in that area, and it's also a great aesthetic detail. Little motion panel there for mobility and comfort. Laser perforated heavy denier textile panel up here in the upper arm. And this is really interesting, something I've not seen previously. They're using that heavy D fabric, and it's like this is like maybe a rubberized material that's perhaps sprayed over that. It gives it a cool look, and it's obviously going to add some protection in that area. And look at, they've even done some laser perf with that. Looks really bitchin' when you get your hands on it. Entry and exit and ventilation can be found here. Cuff of the sleeve. For ventilation, you'll take the secondary zip, bring it down. Nice little mesh panel there that's wide open, going to flow air freely. It's also important to note the stretch fabric here found in the inner arm is going to allow for airflow. So this will be a really good hot and warm weather riding jacket. Entry and exit. There's a good look at that mesh panel with that second locking zip. You get to the front of the coat. Once again, tons of laser perforated heavy denier textile fabric. This stuff looks really professional, really clean. Icon logo, screen printed, split by the zip right here. Hand warmer style storage pockets both sides with locking zips. Good looking zipper pulls. All about the details with Icon. You get inside the coat. Full mesh liner. Zippered storage pocket here at the left breast. You go inside, little stash pocket. It has that St. Christopher medal. Little good karma, never hurt anybody, especially when you're on your motorcycle. Storage pocket on the left and the right side mirror image. Here's the pocket that holds your back protector. Little Ride Among Us back here. Good looking coat, comfort lined collar to keep it comfortable when you have the jacket on. What do I think? If you're looking at this, you love the style, pull the trigger, you're going to dig the jacket.